Okay, it's Friday, September 13th, 10:22 in the morning, right? Yeah, it's, whoops, didn't start this here. Okay, started, right? It's Friday, September 13th, 2024, 10 something in the morning, right? Okay. This is about a Sony CFS-D10 that I don't know if you can read that or not. Okay. Anyway, this is a stereo to go. I made a listing of it. Anyway. Okay. Here is one I made a very bad video about. It's got like 1,900 views on it, but here it is. And got it queued up to play a song. And I really like the bass on this, but here's the one in the box that I got, so while that plays, I'll open this up. This one's supposed to work. It's supposed to look nearly identical to this, but hopefully this one's in better condition than that one. I don't know. Alright. This has 1.5 watts of channel and 5 watts into the rear speaker. I read about that somewhere. That's only on, you know. Okay, fine. Oh my gosh. We gotta just cut our own way into this thing. I don't know how they packaged it, but. Really came from Japan. You got some, you know, Japanese newspaper, right? See that? Okay. Got a separately packaged power cord. Why they do that is like, is that gonna hurt? fader condition in that one. Of course, I don't remember. I looked through all my files and everything, and I can't remember when I got this thing. I just know I've had it for some time. But I've been looking for another one, and I finally got one. This one's... here you go. That's what I'm playing. And this one... well, you know what's different? This one's got shortwave, this one does not. This is AM and FM. This one has shortwave. That's basically the difference between the two, but there's that, like this. And it's got the, you know, the subwoofer in the back, right? Once again, here's the front of it. Got that, it's got shortwave, okay? So it's got an extra deal there. And it's got tape radio line in, volume, and so on and so forth. So like that. Alright, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and play it, right? See if it works, that is. Here's the one I've been playing. Here's my tape. And we'll just unplug the power. Leave that, well, yeah, we'll put this one down here. How about? We'll plug this in. Okay, so we'll just set it up here, alright? And we'll radio, it's on FM. Volume. Okay, so the radio works.
What's next is
Texas.
I'm not here to play the radio. Let's see if this works. Oh, that works better.
It begins by making their grades and being
the
on
tape
time
player
for
plays,
practice.
so
It includes learning to
put
listen.
it on tape and drop in my cassette. Oh yeah. This one here says DoDeCaHORN, and this one says Megabass. So that's basically the difference between the two. This one has shortwave, this one does not. So this has a complete antenna. Of course, he said the antenna was loose, but as you can see, it won't stay up. So that's easy, just tighten the screw on it. Now, the one thing, okay, this has got, well, there it is. I got to take it apart, and I got to get the foam covers that have the D10 written on them. Just remove that and let the speakers show up through there and so on and so forth. But here, let me just So here's the one I started with, right? Just like that. Of course, now this is making a sound because it's got that fluttering against the speaker, right? So that one does the same thing there, but this one works watching. Bye. Gotta go. Shut that one off. Oh, well, we'll come back in a moment and make a picture of that. Then I'll get both of them together. Alright? And this one is a little harder to take off the tripod. Okay, so this is screwed on. That one's just clipped on. The thing I really want to impress upon you is this one has a really, for the size of radio it is, which is not that big, or not that deep, it has a pretty surprising bass amount to it. So, anyway, hope you, like I said, this one says that, this one says Megabass, okay? This says shortwave, and this does not, alright? So, this one probably more desirable for those that like shortwave, but this one works just as well as we're hearing it. Okay, so that's the volume. Alright, so good day everybody, hope you enjoyed, but I'm going to clean this one up, probably keep that one, I'll sell this one for sure. Alright, so good day everybody, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. We got other things here to work on, but I'm not going to go there right now, I got too many things to do. Motors to order.